things Halloween. This is hauntformer, and can you smell that? Halloween is in the air. Or maybe it's just the scare package I've received from a really cool Etsy store called Misfire and Dread. About a week ago, I received an email from a viewer named Lee who told me that they sell candles on Etsy. And I thought that was so cool. They asked if I could get a scare package, essentially, of candles to talk about on the show, and I'm like, absolutely. Little known thing about me, I love smells. I know that's weird, but smells are important, not just because they smell good and cover up, bad ones that may come out of me at some time, but also because it's kind of a weird thing, but smell is linked to memory. So when you smell a pumpkin pie and you think of fall, it's kind of like smelling pine needles and thinking of Christmas. So it works so well for special times of year, and Halloween is perhaps the most special time of year. So, first of all, I want to thank Lee for sending this awesome package. I really appreciate you. From Misfire and Dread Candles, I'm going to put a link in the description. You can check out all of the candles for yourself. They're very reasonably priced. I've looked at them. They're from all different horror films and TV shows and stuff, so it's really cool how the incorporation of horror is put into the smells. But there are, I want to say there's probably like 4 in here, which was very generous. And I'm so excited to smell and take a look at these candles. So let's get cracking. And I believe right now, Lee mentioned that there is a sale going on the Etsy store right in time for Halloween. Now, you're probably not going to get them by Halloween, but who cares? It can smell like Halloween all the time. I can already smell something. There's definitely something strong in here. Ooh la la. Nice and well taken care of. I love unboxing stuff, don't you? Something so magical about unboxing stuff. So, let's see. It looks like we got a few extra things in here. Misfire and Dread. This is their card, which is very nice. There's Lee's contact stuff on there, and on the back you got a creepy little skull. And some stickers, it looks like. That is super dope. I love it. I love the attention to detail. Now we have 4 tins in here. I'm not going to look at it yet because I want to be, kind of surprised. But each tin is in this black little nice thing. And I looked at it. I'm sorry, I cheated. The first one is called The Shape, which is obviously an allusion to Michael Myers' The Shape from Halloween. This one smells like autumn, apples, and cinnamon, and it's made with soy and vegetable blended wax. Sounds pretty official to me. Time for the smelly test. And it's blue. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That does smell like autumn. Dang. If I lived in Haddonfield, that would probably be the scent that would be parading around my house. And I don't even think Michael Myers would stab me if I had this lit. But give me 1 sec. Let me get the lighter. Because truly, you have to light the candle to get the official... Oh, yeah. Take a look at that. Oh, I blew it out. Man, did that smell good. I'm already loving it. You should not have done this, Lee. You're going to have a new regular. This is really cool. So make sure to check out Misfire and Dread. Cool name, by the way. This next one is, even better, Pazuzu, which is the name of the demon from The Exorcist, which might be my favorite horror film. That and The Shining I often consider. This one smells like black tea, patchouli, I literally can't pronounce that, and cinnamon bark. Cinnamon's definitely a popular scent. This one has a tight little cap, and it's green. Perfect for Reagan McNeil. Ooh, I like that one too. You can definitely smell the tea and the cinnamon is very strong. I don't know what the patchouli is. Sounds like a type of noodle. I'm guessing that's not what that is, but... Wow. Where's my lighter? Certainly smells good. See, because I have it so close to my mouth, I didn't breathe on it, and that's why it goes out. Ooh. It's gonna freshen up the aroma in here, in my dungeon. I love it. I love it. I'm gonna set it off to the side. Thirdly, oh, see what I did? We have Samhain, or if, you know, by looking at it, might say Samhain, but Samhain, which was the original celebration of Halloween, which was alluded to in Halloween 2 and also in the movie Trick or Treat. This one smells like pumpkin, apple, and candy corn, which those might just be the most Halloween-y smells put into one. I love it, and it's orange, obviously. Oh my gosh. That is straight up Halloween in a can. I'm not even kidding. You can clearly smell... You can pretty much smell all three of those at the same time. I think that just blew my brain up. Don't breathe on it, Mac. Alright, it'll go away. Wow, it smells so good. I definitely can smell the candy corn. I also just really like the mellow cream pumpkins. You can smell the pumpkin, and you can smell that little hint of apple, the little, you know, acidic apple back there. Plus, there's something so relaxing about looking at a candle, you know, melting. I like to listen. I almost said listen to a candle. What? I like to smell the candle and look at the flame while I write or while I, you know, am editing. Whatever the case may be. It's soothing, you know? Don't judge me. And finally, last but certainly not least, there's something else down here, by the way, I didn't even notice in the bag. It's a pin. Look at that. You see that little pin? That is really creepy. I'm a werewolf. Last but certainly not least, we have Packanack Lodge, which is from Friday the 13th. What part is Packanack? I want to say that's part 2. I'm sure you'll correct me in the comments. I'm pretty sure it's part 2. Packanack Lodge is where Sack Jason appears. Regardless, it's Friday the 13th, Sen. Get over it. Mountain Lake, Ginger, and Firewood. Now, I like all of that. I love me the nice outdoors. And this one is a nice tealish blue-green. Perfect for Jason. Ooh. That one might be one of my favorites. It's difficult to explain to you the smell. I mean, I wish there was like a way to scratch and sniff this or have smell-o-vision through the screen. Unfortunately, no such capability exists on YouTube. But boy, do all of these smell good. Like, I'm gonna have the best smelling dungeon for quite some time. And it's all thanks to Misfire and Dread candles. Smell that? That's the smell of fear. Well, first of all, Lee, thank you again for sending this awesome package. Check out Misfire and Dread candles on Etsy. Link in the description. I will certainly have to check out more. There are more candles based off The Walking Dead, and Jaws, and Trick or Treat, and Halloween, and Friday the 13th, and more. So don't miss out. Please don't, because you may look the part, obviously, but do you smell the part? That's what this answers for you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more Halloween goodness all year round. And remember, for all things Halloween, this is Hauntformer.